in your experience, what are the advantages, or what was it like for the employees who were working from home?
Uh, so I think for employees, it is kind of a mixed plate, right? So there are definite advantages in terms of, flexibility, in terms of being able to maintain better work-life integration, in terms of, working at hours that you are most productive in, right? Some people are early risers and they are most productive in the early hours of the day, others not so much. So with remote working, you can kind of structure your day to suit your strengths. You can avoid long and hassle-some commutes. So, for example, I used to have a daily commute of about an hour and a half, and that is time well spent now when I'm mostly working from home. So those are some of the advantages, but I think there are some very tangible and very real challenges also to remote working. There could be challenges with connectivity tools. There could be challenges with having, a place of your own to work from. People who live in, who live with larger families and who live in smaller living quarters, it could be difficult for them to kind of find that physical place to work from. There could be multiple demands on their time and attention, and that can be distracting. Yeah, I think for people to be able to effectively work remotely, they need to be equipped with the right kind of environment, and the right kind of connectivity tools, and also the mindset and training, right? Some people just find it more difficult to interact, remotely, or to kind of contribute fully in a remote setting. I think that is also a learning curve that we have to kind of navigate. There is inertia too in people. Sometimes they just don't want to kind of change the way they work. But I think this pandemic has kind of forced everybody to get on with the adoption of the new ways of work very quickly, because people have had no choice but to adopt.